Hi, I'm William Myers with Subaru for Expert Village. The next step is to jack up your car. Now remember, car in park, emergency brake on. If you have a standard, make sure it's in gear. First thing is we're going to break loose all the lug nuts before we jack up the car. And all you do is you put your lug wrench on and pull up. Now, if you don't have enough arm strength to do it, this wrench is designed so you can put it down on the car, put your foot on it, push down, and you can use your leg to break loose those lug nuts. When you put it back on, you can tighten it up the same way. Now that you got your lug nuts broken loose, time to jack up the car. Make sure your emergency brake is on and it's in park or in gear if it's a standard transmission. Now, there's a little slot right here in your scissor jack that's going to fit in a little wedge, not a wedge, a piece of metal that comes straight down, that will fit right in this slot. And all you have to do is just spin it up to get it right in that little slot. Then you start jacking up your car. And all you do is you take this little round hook, put it through the two little round holes. You're going to put this in here and make an old style crank handle, and you just start cranking up the car. And you're going to jack the car up till the tire comes off the ground. Now, if you have a flat tire, remember, you're going to have to come up a lot higher than just when the tire's off the ground because it's flat on the bottom side. So, now that this tire is off the ground, we're going to remove all the lug nuts. Okay, now that all the lug nuts are removed, you just pull the tire off, roll it out of the way, grab your spare tire, line up your lug nuts to your hole, or your lug studs to your holes. Put your spare tire on. Put your lug nuts back on. Snug them with your wrench. Now we're going to lower the car so we can tighten up these lug nuts. Remove your jack. I'm going to come back and I'm going to tighten up my lug nuts. And I recommend doing a crisscross pattern on tightening them up. Now remember, this is a space saver spare. It's only rated to a certain mile an hour. So look on the side of your sidewall of your tire and it'll tell you what the rating is. And look on the sidewall and it'll tell you what the PSI is. And I highly recommend before you go on a trip to always have the air checked in your spare tire. That's how you change your flat.